Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to add a new multi-line description from the map screen in Juniper's Uinta. So this allows you to edit your forms while you're on the fly and in the field. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click the orange plus button in the bottom right corner to open up my select record type menu, and then I'm going to click the pencil icon in order to edit all of my record types. I'm now going to edit my tree form. So I'm going to click on the tree option. And you can see here I have a name, description, attachment, location, and date and time that I can edit or change. But what I'm going to do, as I said, is I'm going to actually add a new multi-line description. So I'm going to hit add field here, and then I'm going to sort through my different options here. I can go all and see everything, but I'm going to use the text option here and select the multi-line text field. You can see here that I can now add a name to my field. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to name this tree health. And what I want to do is I want to have my crews in the field, and while I'm in the field as well, be able to document the health of the tree as I am doing the survey. So I'm going to add the name of tree health, and I'm going to make sure that my required box is checked. And the reason I'm going to do that is I want people to be forced to put in the proper description. So once I have that checked, I have got my new description set up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the check mark to save it, and you can see here I now have a multi-line text tree health option that is marked as yes, it is required. I can now drag it if I want to reorder it in the layout of my form, but for now that is everything in today's video. That is how you create a new description on the fly in the field and to make it required so that you are ensured that it gets filled out when the survey is being completed. And if you have a moment, I would please ask you to hit that subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video, or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204, or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.